In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update Inkscape the correct way in 2026 so you can safely install the newest version without breaking your settings or extensions. Many people assume software like Inkscape updates automatically, but it actually does not have a background update checker that sends pop-up notifications, which means you need to manually confirm whether a new version is available. I'll walk you through the safest methods step by step so you always stay updated. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's start by checking which version of Inkscape you currently have installed. Open Inkscape on your computer and look at the welcome screen. When Inkscape launches, the version number is usually displayed right on that screen. If you already closed the welcome screen, don't worry, you can still check it easily. Go to the top menu and click Help, then choose About Inkscape. A small window will appear showing the exact version number currently installed on your system. For example, you might see version 1.3.2. Once you know your current version, the next step is to compare it with the latest release from the official Inkscape website. Open your browser and go to inkscape.org. On the download page, you'll see the newest version available. If the version on the website is higher than the one you saw in the About window, that means an update is available and you should download the latest installer. Before installing the new version, there is one optional step that can help prevent conflicts between old settings and the new version. Inside Inkscape, go to Edit then Preferences or press Ctrl-Shift and P together. In the Preferences window, select System and click Reset Preferences. This clears configuration files that might cause unexpected behavior after updating. Now return to the official website, download the installer for your operating system, run the installer and follow the normal installation steps. The new version will replace the old one while keeping your project safe. While you're on the Inkscape website, consider supporting the project with a small donation. Inkscape is free open source software and community contributions help developers keep improving the tools we use every day, and that's all it takes to update Inkscape safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.